Hello, everyone. I'm Angela, and today I'm thrilled to share my experience with the Best Manifestation course. If you've ever wondered about the law of attraction and how to truly make it work, this video is for you. I know many of us have heard about The Secret movie, but do we really understand how to apply the law of attraction in our lives? That's where Best Manifestation comes in to change the game. Before we continue, if you've been curious about creating the reality of your dreams in just 38 seconds, don't forget to click the link in the description to access the official Best Manifestation website. There you'll find all the detailed information, and who knows, it might be the answer you've been seeking. Now I'll share some incredible insights I've discovered throughout the course, and I'm sure you'll love them. I remember thinking the law of attraction was only about visualization, but Best Manifestation showed me it goes way beyond that. It's not just about mental images, it's about the emotions you infuse into them. Feeling as if your dreams are already a reality is the key. And guess what? You're manifesting all the time. It's just a matter of consciously choosing what you want to manifest. It's as if every thought, emotion, and action is aligned to create the reality around us. If these ideas pique your curiosity, be sure to check out Best Manifestation. The link is in the description. Believe me, it could be the first step to completely transforming your life. I want to share a bit of my story. There was a time when I felt lost, but Best Manifestation not only showed me how to manifest my dreams but also provided practical tools for daily application. Yes, I was skeptical at first, but the results speak for themselves. I achieved things that once seemed impossible. Now, if you're eager to learn more, click the link below and explore Best Manifestation. I couldn't recommend it more. Perhaps this is the push you need to start creating the life of your dreams. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed my account of Best Manifestation. Don't forget to leave your comments and share your experiences below. For those ready to take the next step in manifesting their dreams, the link to Best Manifestation is in the description. Click now and begin this incredible journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.